Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Welcome, new chief, to the vibrant world of Clash of Clans, even in 2025. Your journey begins with a quick download from your app store, followed by a helpful in-game tutorial. This guided tour introduces you to essential building, efficient resource collection, and even your very first battle. Pay close attention to these early steps, as they truly lay the groundwork for your entire village and future empire. Getting a good grasp on the core mechanics now will make your long-term experience so much more enjoyable and successful. Resources are the lifeblood of your village, so gathering them wisely is crucial. You'll primarily collect gold and elixir from mines and collectors, using them to construct buildings, upgrade defenses, and train your armies. Later on, you will unlock dark elixir, which is essential for heroes and specialized troops. Always prioritize upgrading your resource collectors and storages, ensuring you can earn more and protect your hard-earned wealth effectively. A strong defense is just as important as a powerful offense in Clash of Clans. When building your base, think strategically about protecting your town hall and resource storages. Focus on upgrading your defensive structures consistently, starting with those that deal area damage, like mortars and wizard towers. Remember to also use your walls effectively. They are a critical layer of defense, directing enemy troops and absorbing damage, making your village a true stronghold. Attacking other villages is how you earn most of your resources and progress through the game. Before you deploy, carefully scout the enemy base. Look for weaknesses in their defenses and where their resources are stored. Learn to build balanced army compositions that counter different base layouts. Experiment with various troop combinations and spells. Mastering these strategies will make you a formidable raider, ensuring a steady flow of valuable loot. To truly thrive in Clash of Clans, joining an active clan is absolutely essential. Clans offer incredible benefits, including troop donations from your allies, participation in clan wars, and engaging clan games. Donating and requesting troops regularly helps both you and your clanmates grow stronger together. It's a fantastic way to find community, get valuable tips from experienced players, and accelerate your overall progress in the game.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.